So hello students, let us start our concept of classes and objects. Let us understand what is meaning of classes. So just understand this. Here I have created a class with length and breadth. Okay, this is the object. A table, it can be a table with two attributes, length and breadth. Now I want to calculate area of that rectangle. So what is the formula? Area equal to length into breadth. So now what happened? This is the class. This is the class of name rectangle with data member length and breadth and member function area of rectangle. So what is the class name? Rectangle. When I say rectangle comma A, don't understand it. Rectangle comma A comma B comma C. What happened? What happened? A is of type rectangle and it has length and breadth as the parameter. Okay. B is of type rectangle with length and breadth as parameter. C is of type rectangle with length and breadth as parameter. Now what are the methods? Methods are calculate area of rectangles. This is the method. So this is the class of name rectangle with data member length and breadth and member function as calculate area of rectangle. Clear? So let us take one more example. We take example of students in our class. Example of students in the class. So here class name consists of student. Class name is student. Okay. With data member. What do we call it? These are the data members. Data. Okay. These are data members. Data members are physics name of the student, physics, chemistry, math. These are the subjects of the students. These are data member. What is member function? Member functions are calculate total, calculate average, calculate grade. So whenever we say we are creating the class, with every class there are two things. How many things are there? There are two things. Two things with every class. Okay, with every class there are two things. What are the two things? Can you please tell me? Two things are data member and first thing is data members and second is member function. Member function. So I can access A dot length for length, A dot breadth for breadth and A dot area of rectangle, calculate area of rectangle. Okay. For total also, total equal to physics plus chemistry plus mathematics, average equal to total divided by 3, grade equal to that logic. Clear? Let us take some more examples of classes. What are some more examples of classes? Just I have created here the prompt for some more example of classes. Okay. Class car. Car is the class with data member as make of the car, model of the car, model name, year of the car and color of the car. These are the data member. Member functions are start the car and travel for 1 kilometer, 10 kilometers, stop the car, honk the car. These are data members. Another class example is book. Book is a class example with title, author, genre and pages, number of pages. And member functions are read the number of pages, bookmark the pages, get summary. These are the member functions of the book. Another is pet. Pet is a class with data member as name, type, age, favorite food. And member functions are feed, play, sleep. Same for student. Students with name, grade, student ID, subjects are the data member. Member functions are attend class, study and take exam. Okay, these are the different data members of the class. So let us write the code. Let us write the code which will explain us the program. Okay, let us jump to this code. So already I have created this prompt, simple prompt. I am not going to execute the code, otherwise the video will be very lengthy. So let us simple example of hello world. Simple example of hello world. Okay, how do I define the hello world? How do I define the hello world? I define the hello world using function. Define is the keyword, greet is the function name, and no parameter, no return types, print hello world. This is the function of name greet which only print hello world string. So this is a function are defined, function to print greeting message. Now call the function. How do I call the function? These are the comments in Python. These are the comments in Python. So when I call greet, what is greet? Greet is a function name. Greet is the function. When I call this greet, I got hello world program. Is that clear? Very simple. Okay. Second example. What I do, I take one simple example. I already create a simple example. Suppose I explain this class and object with the help of simple example. Suppose I want to perform addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. So here numbers are, what is the algorithm? Result equal to A plus B. So what are the input variables? This is the formula for any program. There are algorithm. So algorithm is, okay, this is the algorithm. Result equal to A plus B. All the variable on right side are input variables. All the variable that on left side are equal to our output variable. So we take input for A, input for B. Here inputs are static, A equal to 5, B equal to 3. The result equal to A plus B. I get 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Print sum is result. Okay. Or I can take input dynamically from user like the int in bracket input in bracket enter value of A. Clear? And here I can replace enter value of B. That's it. So I can make this program dynamically and I can run the program. Clear? So when I run this code in this way, I just modify the code one more time. When I run the code, what is the output? I get output sum is 8. Clear? Very simple program. The simple addition of two number program. Now I want to write the same program using function. Now what I am going to explain? I am going to explain all the possible types of function and return type. Because when we write the program using object oriented program, we use the function. Function accept the parameter and return type. Function may not accept the parameter. Function may not return any return type. So let us write the program using function, simple function. So function with no parameter, no return types. Okay. So this simple program add numbers. This function do not accept any parameter. There is no accepting parameter. There is no return keyword. There is no return keyword here. Okay. So A equal to 5, B equal to same program. See the same program. A equal to 5. Just what I have done, I have just copied this code. That's it. And paste here in that define add members. Okay, define the keyword, paste, function name is add numbers, no parameter, colon, A equal to 5, B equal to 3, result equal to A plus B, and print result. That's it. What is the function name? Add numbers. When I run the code, I get the output add number, I get the output 8. Okay, we call the function add number. We are calling this add number function. So when I call add number function, A equal to 5, B equal to 3, result equal to A plus B, result equal to 5 plus 3, 8, print sum 8. Can you see the output? Sum. We are not wasting the time to execute the code. Clear? Now same program with function with parameter and return type. Function with, this is the function with no parameter, no return type. This is the function with parameter, no return type. Means here if you see, this function accept two inputs A, comma B. Means what? When I call this function add numbers, I am passing two parameters. Add numbers 5, 3. Clear? So A, comma B, result equal to A plus B, print sum is result. So when I call add number, it accept two parameters. Remember, these are the very important concept when we define the classes and object. That's why I am doing the revision of function, because the same function will be used in classes and objects. Function with, there are some function which will return, which will accept the parameter. There are some function which will not accept the parameter. There are some function which will return the result. Can you see this return type? Function with parameter return type. Can you see this return A plus B? So there are some function which will accept the parameters and return the value, and there are parameters which will not accept the function or not return the value. So we will see all different variation in the class when we learn the class. Okay. So here when I pass the parameter, I call the function add numbers 5, 3, but this function do not return anything. It print the result in the function body itself. So when I call the program, 5 copied in A, 3 copied in B, 5 plus 3, A plus B replaced by 5 plus 3. I get result as 8, and can you see result output sum equal colon 8. Sum colon result 5 plus 3 8. So this is a function with parameter, no return type. Now function with parameter return type. Function with parameter return type. So here it accepts the two parameter. Return A plus B. See, we have covered on program, addition of physics, chemistry and mathematics. So what I can do here, I can write the same code here. How can I write the same code? Simple. I just copy the code. Okay, I just copy the code, I paste the code. What I do, physics, chemistry, math. Okay, physics, chemistry, math, and here return. Okay, what I will return? Tell me. Physics plus chemistry plus math. That's it. When I call this function, okay, what I do? I just write, okay, total marks. Okay, here I will write total marks, and here suppose I write here result. Function name is result. So what I do here, result 1 2. So here I write result 1 2. Try to understand, result 1 2. Okay, result 1 2. So what I do now, result 1 2 comma 22 23 24. These are physics, chemistry, mathematics marks. So I have written the same code. Only difference is that here what I have done, I have used physics, chemistry, mathematics. I have taken the input from the user, called the function. Now this 22 copied in physics P, 23 copied in C, 24 copied in M, and I get the return. That's it. Total mark equal to 22 plus 20 plus 4. Now we get 69 result. What is the output here? Okay, what is the output here? Total marks, okay, is 69. Not so, 69. That's it. This is the output. Clear? So I hope these concepts are clear. Now I want to write the same program using classes. You can see I have written the same program using classes. Now I will cover this program in next video, so that video will be shorter. Okay, thank you.